In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to delete a bill. If you've ever entered a bill by mistake or found a duplicate in your records, deleting it keeps your accounts payable clean and your reports accurate. Before we begin, remember that deleting permanently removes the bill from your books, which can change your vendor balances and aging reports. It's a good idea to double-check the vendor, date, and amount so you're positive you're removing the right items. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company and looking to the left navigation panel. Click on Expenses. This takes you to the area where all your vendor-related transactions live. From here, switch to the Bills tab. The Bills tab is designed to show you every bill you've recorded, whether it's outstanding, overdue, or scheduled for a future date. You'll see useful columns like vendor name, due date, status, and amount. Taking a moment to scan this list can help you spot the exact bills that don't belong. When you're ready, select the bill or bills you want to remove. Do this by clicking the check boxes next to each bill on the list. The moment you select at least one, a new set of options appears on the screen. This context-sensitive toolbar is QuickBooks' way of giving you bulk actions without cluttering the page. If you've got multiple bills to delete, feel free to check several at once. Batch deleting can save time. Just make sure you've selected only the bills you truly intend to remove. With your selections made, click the Delete button that appears. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm that you want to proceed. Confirm, and the bills are removed from your books. That's it. Those entries will no longer show up in your bills list, they won't appear in your unpaid balance, and they won't affect your accounts payable aging going forward. A couple of helpful notes as you work. If a bill is tied to a payment or another linked transaction, QuickBooks will warn you and prevent deletion until that link is addressed. This safeguard is there to protect the integrity of your records. Also, because deleting can't be undone the same way editing can, it's wise to pause for a second and make sure everything looks right before you confirm. If your screen looks slightly different from what I've described, don't worry. QuickBooks updates its layout from time to time, but the flow is the same. Expenses, bills, select, and delete. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned the simplest, most reliable way to delete bills in QuickBooks Online while keeping your books clean and accurate.